In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to general ledger report in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through how to find the report, how to customize it, and how to actually run it so you can get the information you need about your accounts. I'll keep it simple, and you can follow along in your own QuickBooks Online account as we go. First, once you're logged into QuickBooks Online, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a vertical menu with several options like Dashboard, Banking, Sales, and so on. From that list, click on the option labeled Reports. This is the central place where QuickBooks keeps all of its standard reports, including the general ledger. When the Reports page opens, you'll notice a search bar near the top that says Find Report by Name. In that search field, start typing General Ledger. As you type, QuickBooks will show matching results just below, and you should see the General Ledger report appear. Click on that result to open it. If you prefer to browse instead of using the search bar, you can scroll down the page until you reach the section called For My Accountant. In that section, look for the General Ledger report and select it from there. Both methods take you to the same place, so just use whichever feels more comfortable. Now that the General Ledger report is open, it's time to customize the information it shows. At the top of the report, you'll see options to choose the date range. This tells QuickBooks which period you want to see details for. You can pick a preset option, like this fiscal year, last month, or this month, or you can enter a custom date range if you're looking at a specific period, such as a particular quarter or a project timeframe. Choosing the right date range helps you focus on the transactions that matter for your review. Next, you'll choose your accounting basis. You'll see a drop-down where you can select either cash or accrual. Cash basis shows income and expenses when money actually moves in or out of your accounts. Accrual basis shows income and expenses when they're billed or incurred, regardless of when cash is paid or received. Make sure you select the basis that matches how you manage or report your finances. Once you've set the date range and accounting basis, you're ready to generate the report. Click the Run Report button. QuickBooks will then load your general ledger with all the account activity based on the settings you chose. From here, you can review, analyze, and, if needed, export or print the report for your records or your accountant.